Namaskar. A very good evening to each one of you to this session of sound healing. Just close your eyes and give your attention to your spine, allowing it to become naturally straight. So be aware how the body is holding and supporting itself, all on its own. Your head is finely balanced on the shoulders. It is tilted neither forwards nor backwards. And just breathe. Take a few deep breaths which are gentle. And with each breath, become aware of what the breath is doing to your body. Let the body and breath become very friendly with one another. Any relationship which is friendly is harmonious. And you will notice that friendliness between the body and the breath promotes a breath that is relaxed, even and rhythmic. The breath goes on without any effort. At a nice pace. And each cycle of breath brings more and more calmness and stability to the body. The breath and the mind are also interconnected. When the mind is agitated, the breath is agitated. And when the mind is relaxed, the breath is also relaxed. But this relationship is not just a one-way relationship. It's a two-way relationship. If the breath is happy, if the breath is relaxed, the mind automatically becomes happy and relaxed. So first you promoted friendship between the body and the breath. Now promote friendship between the breath and the mind. Just let the breath be. And the mind, which is always full of energy, agitation, discontentment, starts falling in line. And when the mind becomes quiet, it is so much easier to be in the present moment. So take some time to appreciate how the breath is putting you in the present moment. If you are aware of breathing, then the attention will go to one place or the other. It can be the tip of the nostrils, where the incoming breath leaves a cool sensation and the outgoing breath leaves warmth. If you are focused in the nostrils, you can feel the breath brushing past the hair which is there in the nostrils. You can feel the sensation of the breath at the top of the nostrils where the breath turns around. You can feel the breath in the all-round expansion of the rib cage when the breath comes in. You can feel the breath as the expansion of your lungs. You can feel the breath as the movement of the navel outwards. You can feel the breath into the pit or the bottom of your abdomen. Don't try to fix attention anywhere in particular, but do not lose the awareness of the breath. It is happening to you without any effort. And you are simply witnessing or watching it happen. We do not appreciate the breath which is keeping us alive. But if we meet someone whose lungs are giving way and are becoming plastic, we would realize that if this bodily instrument is not in order, how difficult it is to breathe. one starts gasping for breath. But right now it is happening on its own, in a very soothing, natural and spontaneous manner. When we fall in love with someone, we try to explore that person. When we fall in love with the natural beauty of a place, we try to explore that place. All our senses come alive. So let your senses come alive and feel the breath. Feel the smell of your breath. Feel the touch of your breath. Feel the effect of your breath. We become what we pay our attention to. We know all the intricacies of the subject on which we focus. So become an expert about your own breath. Know your breath from all angles, all aspects. Watch it closely. Discover all its nuances. You will notice that the body or the sense of the body has disappeared. All that you notice about yourself in terms of the bodily structure is a hollow. But this hollow is full of energy. Energy that is pulsating. Energy that is alive. Energy that knows how to nurture itself and rise the ladder of frequency and vibration. Breath is your life giver, so it can be the best healer. It brings in prana, the life force. But we can connect with prana only when we see the breath very closely. Hidden secrets of a person are known if we get very close to them. In the same way, get close to your breath, as close as possible. And let the breath reveal all its hidden secrets to you. Merge in your breath. If any thoughts arise, and you notice that you are thinking, and the inner state is getting disturbed, do not fight with your thoughts. Do not blame your mind. Very gently bring your attention back to the breath. And the moment you get focused on the breath, the thoughts will disappear. And you will regain your state of composure and inner silence and healing. The only condition is that do not use your personal judgment to either prolong your breath or to shorten it. Do not interfere with its pace. Do not try to control its volume. In the beginning, you've made friends with the breath and the body. Let the body and breath decide. How much breath, at what frequency is needed. And now you can choose a point where we would like to focus on. And as I said, it can be the tip of the nostril. It can be the top of the nasal passage. It can be that point where the incoming breath dissolves and from where the outgoing breath starts. It can be how the rib cage responds to the incoming and outgoing breath. Choose something or the other. Some people who can easily transcend the physical dimension of the breath and connect with the pranic dimension. They can focus their attention in the middle of the eyebrows. But choose what is convenient to you and what comes naturally to you. The breath starts becoming very, very subtle. But the more subtle it becomes, the more powerful it is. And you can feel its power and energy. And as you remain in this state of inner absorption, let us listen to some healing frequencies. For removal of pain, is the frequency for healing of wounds. A lot of suffering is karmic, and Saturn is the planet of justice that brings up karma and makes us go through certain challenges. So here is the frequency of Saturn. Currently Saturn is retrograde, so its effects are more powerful. This is the frequency to convert guilt and fear into joy. We are passing through momentous times. A lot of high energy, frequency, and vibrations are pouring on Mother Earth, and we may not realize it, but all of a sudden, the cells of our bodies, they are being exposed to such high bursts of energy that a lot of hidden sentiments, emotions, fears, resentment, these are bound to surface. So here is the frequency that takes care of unknown fears. As you would notice, its frequency is very high. And these are the frequencies for activation of the Mars and the Jupiter, these two planets which are conjunct right now. Mars can cause a lot of disruption in our lives, but the presence of Jupiter has the effect of controlling Mars and using its energies in a fashion that is very beneficial. So just absorb the frequencies of Mars and Jupiter. People having blood issues are going to benefit a lot. Anybody having liver issues, they also are going to benefit a lot. Gently become more aware of your breathing. Bring your attention to what is happening at the physical level due to breath. Be more attentive to the movement in the chest region or in the rib cage. See how the abdomen moves out and in with the incoming breath and the outgoing breath. And now take a few deep breaths. Gently start becoming aware of how and where your body is, what it is in contact with. For some time, with closed eyes, become aware of your environment. And when you are ready, bring yourself out of meditation. If you want, you can bring your palms together, rub them against one another. Feel the energy building up in the palms. Cover your eyes with your palms. Be aware of the exchange of energy that is happening between your palms and the rest of the body through the filter of the eyes. Keep breathing. Do not hold your breath. And when you are ready, just caress your face. You may want to caress different parts of your body or tap them, and then very, very gently open your eyes.